Hello everyone. Today we will draw a blue whale, the biggest animal on the planet. Grab a paper and black marker and draw along. Begin by drawing a flipper. Add two big curves. Connect the right curve to the fin with a wavy line. Draw a big wavy line from the front to the back. Draw the tail flippers. Add the second side flipper. Draw the eye half closed to give it a cool expression. Now we can color our drawing. Take a dark blue and draw the grooves, some spots on its body, and color in the rest. You can add a background with two lighter shades of blue. Draw two waves and some bubbles and our whale is swimming in the ocean. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.